A child arrived just the other day, came to the world in an usual way. There were things to catch and bills to pay. He learned to walk while there was a way. He was talking for a minute in the desert rain. He said, I'm gonna be like you, Dad. You know I'm gonna be like you. Let me hear you, Belfast. Thanks for the road that come home. It's pretty good to teach me to grow. I said, not today, I got a lot to do. He said, that's okay. He walked away and he smiled and he said, you know, gonna be like him, yeah. You know I'm gonna be like him. Well, the cat's in the cradle and the sail's boat. We're on through the land. When you come home, son, could you say, shook his hand and he said, what I'm feeling like, Dad, is about the car keys. See you later, can I have them, please? Well, the cat's in the cradle and the sail's broke. Little water in the man. When you're coming home, son, I don't know where. We'll be together there. You could have a good time there. I've lost such a time, my son's been away. So check this out. I'll only ask you for this one song. Everybody back there, move up towards me so I can see your faces. It's important. Come here. Come on.